selector.
The mangroves are a wow, okay. The mangroves are a nursery for all the little baby fish. I used to call the mangroves mangoes when I was a little boy, and I've been going up here ever since I could walk.
Don't make sure you hit play.
Let's have a look underneath the water. The mangroves are an important feeding and breeding ground for the fish. It's also a safe haven from predators and tropical storms. The mangroves are primary producers in this ecosystem. The sun's energy is stored in its leaves. Throughout the year, the leaves drop and sink to the bottom where they are decomposed by bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms. This produces a protein-rich food source, a sort of microbial stew, for the tenants of the mangroves that feed and add to this rich soup. That fish swimming on the bottom there is a pufferfish. Those are all baby fish. Those are all schoolmasters, gray snappers, and the occasional baby barracuda.
A puffer is an ordinary fish. It puffs up when it's being attacked by a predator. That's all I got.
That's my brother, the Nemesis. He knows a lot about fish. Mangroves are found all over the world. They are the trees of the sea. What you're seeing here is the most common type found in the Bahamas, called red mangrove. They are easily identified by the prop roots that act like stilts. You may wonder how these trees grow in salt water. They actually adapt to filter or remove the salt from their systems. These are the original reverse osmosis machines. All kinds of life live in the mangrove ecosystem. Mollusks feed on the fallen leaves, fiddler crabs, and lots of insects like moths, termites, ants, and one really annoying insect called sand fleas. In the Bahamas, we call them no-see-ums, because you can't see them, but you sure can feel them. In the canopy, you will find all sorts of water birds: cormorants, egrets, herons, kingfishers, and there is an osprey that lives near our island that often sits up in the canopy and looks for fish. Another species in the Bahamas is the black mangrove. You can easily spot it by the pencil-like roots that emerge out of the ground around the plant. This plant has a special way of dealing with the salinity. It extracts it through its leaves. Here you can actually see the crystals on the leaves.
We have a white mangrove here. We have a big trunk growing on our beach. Cut.
A species that grows further inland is the white mangrove. It doesn't have aerial roots, but usually a single trunk. You will recognize it by the small dimple-like found on the tip of the leaf. Another species known as the buttonwood. We have a huge forest of it on our island. Oftentimes it is used to make fires.
Come down, selector.
joy, and I seen a lot of pain, but I don't wanna